everyone, and welcome to Kaleideum at Home. My name is Dominique, and today I will be showing you how to make a catapult. So first things first, we're going to get our materials together. We'll need 5 popsicle sticks, 3 rubber bands, and a lid cap. Alright, so first things first, what we're going to do is we're going to take 3 of the popsicle sticks and we are going to combine them with 1 of the rubber bands. And then once we get that, we'll set it to the side. We'll take the other 2, and then this one we'll tie the rubber band to close to one of the ends. And now the trick is you want to get it as tight as you can because that tension will come in handy later. So we got our 2 and our 3. What we're going to do next is get kind of complicated. We're going to wedge the 3 popsicles in between the 2. So we're just going to stick it in between, slide it down, wedge it in there. Bam. Like so. Alright. We'll take our last rubber band, and I popped mine earlier, so I need to get another one. And this time we'll bind it to keep the 3 popsicle sticks in between the 2. Okay. Now that we have the base together, the last thing we'll need to do is glue the lid to the popsicle stick. So I'm going to take my hot glue gun. I'm just going to put 1 drop on the back of the lid. And I'm going to stick it right at the top of the open end of the catapult. And now we got the catapult. When you think about the science behind these catapults, tension plays a significant part. The rubber bands provide the tension. So you would notice the tighter the rubber band, the more force your catapult has behind it. So we have this little puff ball, and then we have a little paper ball. And I have these 2 made. One is definitely tighter than the other. So we'll actually see if these fly further. All right, so I'm gonna start with the puff ball. And I'm gonna do it on the side of the table, just to try to see. That made it pretty far for you. Now if you do that one again, but with this black one, see if there's any difference. Did you notice the difference? One went a lot further than the other. And that's because when we pull on the catapult, we're forcing the rubber band to separate, which is causing that tension to build. And that force that we're building up right here, when we let it go, that's the energy behind it. So thank you guys. I hope you have fun with this one. Stay safe, stay healthy.